So I'm Sam. I'm an integration analyst for a company called Fintech. They're a specialist in ground mobility, and they kind of trying to get the world together in terms of door-to-door experiences. I work as an integration analyst for them, so mainly API analysis, API implementations, project cost analysis, and implementations as well. So I work with a lot of wonderful developers that teach me a lot of great things every day. My background is in aerospace engineering. I studied aerospace engineering at university, where I've designed 2 drones, luckily. And here I am now. Graduated, funny story. So I graduated, and then I decided I would look into IT just to expand my skill set, and discovered a bit of finance engineering and a bit of Python coding, filtered into data engineering, then went into product development for a regulatory reporting company, and from there got headhunted to where I'm working now as an analyst. To be fair, my vision for Africa and what I'm doing now is kind of wide apart, but it does have what I'm doing now does have implications for Africa in terms of ground mobility, people transporting themselves around, traffic. It's a big problem. Transportation in general is a very precarious subject in Africa, and a lot of what I'm working with now is to help optimize the ground mobility. So I'm doing a lot of future-proofing work in driverless cars. I don't know when that will come to Nigeria yet, but hopefully it will contend with some downfalls. Also trying to get in cheaper and affordable transportation for people. So people that are willing to do car sharing, that kind of reduces congestions on the roads. So things like that, and it will honestly help the traffic, which a lot of Nigerians have experienced. In terms of my vision for Africa going forward, I believe blockchain is really key for Nigeria. Why? There's the smart voting, which I think will be really powerful in terms of everyone will be able to kind of audit a full voting trail from the beginning. And payments as well, of course. We all know that peer-to-peer transfer. The only limitation I see with that one is how quickly would everyone get a kind of smartphone to do that. That's the only limiting factor for blockchain. But again, that is just a challenge, as all technology things are. So, also, if you know the problems with, it's something that I heard from my mom, some ghost workers, so paying ghost workers. If every living human being, though this some religious facts will kind of dispute this to comments of the end times, but if every human being could have some kind of a private key, it is theoretically possible that there will be no more paying of ghost workers, i.e. reduction in national deficit, and then the money that is being siphoned off can actually be redistributed to everyone. So things like that, it's just a practical application of what blockchain can do. And there are many more, I'm sure. Lots of people dreaming in their beds about it. That corruption stems as a result of people being able to, manipulate a database. Go into a database, press update database name at this thing, call an ID for someone that doesn't exist, pay him 40 million a month. Right?
Yeah.
If that was hosted in some kind of a blockchain where you can't really just go and update a database as such, has to be done in a sequential manner, then you start introducing complexities that a normal update can do. So my thing is, you can use some solutions, but you can't use all. I think social media can be used to educate.
Okay.
It's a great education tool. For example, I learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube on social media. So Snapchatted it, and then I went to play with it, and we got there. If you can use social media to let people be aware of the possibilities of things like blockchain and things like, just educate them. Basically, educate them. Have doctors. I mean, common problem in Africa is as we said, corruption and poverty, which leads to uneducation and the lack of people to actually fix the roads or even know what ties. I think social media can be a great tool for education and enlightenment. What am I doing to help people and progress? We have so many smart people. There's this Igbo man I met. He graduated from, he's a PhD from Imperial University. Igbo men coming out of Cambridge, everywhere, and doing well. Not just doing normal, doing exceptionally well. And yet, our own place that we call home is not. I think it's a challenge for each one of us. It's a challenge for each one of us to. And if we don't try to act, nothing will happen. And there's this Igbo. Do you know there's this Igbo car manufacturers? They make cars. Like, where's the investment for them? Like, this first made in Nigeria cars. Google it when you have the chance. Igbo people made cars. So if we're able to do, we have Igbo made shoes. We'll say, oh, it's from Aba. No, they Igbo made shoes. If an Italian fucking makes a shoe, sorry for swearing, but in this thing you call it, oh, GCP Rossi, I want to rock it. It's good. It's nice. Why don't you? Oh, you think a man in Aba cannot make that type of shoe? He just needs to pay attention to detail, right? He needs to be relaxed, give him a nice environment, give him the shoe, let him play with it. It's not a rush program. It's when you try to rush, oh, let's just do this, let's make this money together. No, if you take your time to build something good, we can build something good. It's not that we can't, it's just whether we want to. So if we now make shoes in Aba and then you say, oh no, it was made in Aba. Imagine you even using a place that it was made in.
Sugar baby, 1 bar you go carry baby, 2 bar you go carry baby. Make her come to you like a lady.